Prawn crackers lover, just come closer. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful, easy prawn cracker. So into your pot, you want to pour in your vegetable oil. Pour in enough because I'm doing a little. I didn't add so much oil. I have your prawn crackers ready. You can get it from your local store or supermarket. If your oil is not hot enough, your prawn crackers will soak up oil and you do not want that. And it will not blossom as it should blossom. So what you want to do is make sure that your oil is very hot and then you pour in your prawn crackers and in seconds it's bubbling up ready. Prawn crackers is very easy to make but also can be a miss if your oil is super hot because you don't want it to burn. And my lovelies, you've just made prawn crackers super easy, like it's a get ready snack. So are you a lover of prawn crackers or not really? Let me know in the comment below if you are, and if you're not, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Love you guys.